I am so excited because my wheels just came in. Check this out. I am super hyped about this. And look at that seal of authorization. You know that shit's real. You know what I'm saying? Well, we don't know if it's real, but probably most likely it is real. If you guys could see right here, Graham Lights 57DR. I think you already know where this is going. Bro, I am so excited for this. I literally just woke up not too long ago, so I'm kind of out of it, but I'm super excited. Okay, I was super hyped about this, and then I figured out that they sent me the wrong ones. This is literally the wrong ones. These are like the dark gray looking Graham lights. Or never mind, they actually looked so completely different in person. They actually look gray in the package, but when I started opening them, I was like, why do these look black? And then I realized, look at this. Check that out in the mag blue. Oh my God, it looks so sick. Check out that flake. I thought it was a little bit different color because of the packaging, but these are the actual right ones. Today we're gonna try to attempt to put the wheels on the car. I already have all 4 wheels in the car already, but the problem is there's not a lot of alignment shops or tire shops around here that do lowered cars in particular. Try to get these wheels on since this car is lowered. I did take off the side skirts and the rear bumper, and they're sitting right over here. Obviously when you buy a brand new wheel, you don't want it to be scratched, so we are gonna see. I'm gonna go to this new tire place. Supposedly their machine has like this plastic trim on the tire so that way it doesn't scratch the wheel, so we're gonna find out, see how that goes. And just like that, we have the wheels on the Civic. Don't they look so good? And at some angles, the wheel looks black, but at some angles, if you get close, or especially if the sun shines on it, you could see the blue. I don't know if you could see that, guys. There is flake in it. It's kind of dirty right now, but you get the point. Yeah, overall, I think this looks really good, and I think it looks 10 times better than the GSR blades. I do have the GSR blades with me. I'm not sure what I want to do with them, but definitely for sure, I might either go a 3-piece route and try to send them out to get the face cut off and have like a 3-piece GSR style. I think that would be super sick. Or maybe just keep them and try to restore them, but I'm not sure yet. I don't know if you guys know, but GSR blades are hard to come by nowadays since obviously they don't make them anymore. Look at the new setup, the new wheels. Hey yo, shout out to my girl because she actually helped me out try to get these wheels, and they just look so good. Look at that, Graham Lights Rays. Man, can't go wrong. I've always seen a lot of Civics on this setup and a lot of Supras on the setup, and I was like, you know what, I always wanted these wheels for the longest time, other than like Workmeisters, of course. It has the concaveness to them because this is a 28 offset, not a 35 offset. A lot of people run a 35 offset on this. I wanted to make it a little bit more aggressive, so I am running a little bit of camber. Same thing with the front. I love the front of the meatiness. It does rub just a little bit because the fitment is kind of tight. I still do need to adjust it and adjust the camber, and then eventually get this car for an alignment so that way it can ride nicely. Other than that, it rides great. It doesn't rub so far when a straight line, but it does rub slightly when I do a full rotation. Eventually I do want to get hubcaps so that way I can cover the hub. But other than that, that's basically it. There's nothing really much to this video other than installing wheels. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time in the next one.